Rada Pan Panong Ponsi KFA Pen DCH along WKP Asai Kedeng. Towar ke Hinua Jog Baitalang so Hawar along Masapso Arve Kijang Penta Kacheleng Kisung. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen website Kasonse. Kardom Nili Karbia Betar Hanbang Sami Villerbon Kropi non Arjekta Betang Ton Pen. Pai ni Pai ECR ni ada Porpai Cap Apor Pen Karbi Farmers Association Ahin Pen Difu Civil Hospital along Akejapen WKPSI Dengpon.
KFA Maipu Rajas Tisopen Japonsi Katowe Banging Koisose Karbi Farmer Association claim bang atup DCH along Vika GPSI KFA dun Maipu Avinas Tisoy hin pen kaning Japon atengke kiduk kelak aradatum seka chelang ponji au joy kepen Vikelong ponje pansi labang sosai kedeng pusi ningje stay panteron lapen Radis Rongpar Cat News Difu.
Masih kiduk dat boy dat rong so dat sila chelang itu semua lagi chelang boleh tentu masih itu maju long masih itu masih non makin sok dat isu kini kiduk dat kena sok tu pada ni semua masuk dalam celah security.
West Karbi Anglong District Baitalang so Hawaralong Malam so wet Arve Kijang Penta Kacheleng Atawaralong Lang Pabitek.
Pinpumi PWD towar arjiding kloipen kaselampon pederejo masapso arve kejanganta langbi cemando bang sojok radatum kedam kebang kisung pen cecaknan rentilo kedam tang Kongres Sorkar atum misena towar ke pipederejo radatum BJP Sorkar apan aning hangno lapian non BJP Sorkar nang dolo puwai pit setame kopia posi nonanta BJP Sorkar hin pet misena towar claim kipon pedetma puta Baitalang Sorat atum Sorkar apan pasimurenti. Baitalang so pen Jasoning hi report Cat News.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen website Sonse Ponsi Karbi Anglong Amekarapan Panong Pontanglo website along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen ke claim kedam amo ang tonalam kadok kawe arat alilong ipopusi Council Pen laso putak pacetak pon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen Kesonsia website www.karbianglong.co.in along Council Asar ko arum along kedoan asay kamakam scheme kiklembo makam contractor supplier scheme along tangka kapada mapai humri long ji laso website along Council aphan kapachinia son do pusitame pachini long po anparta BD sore chepachoy long po Council along kedoan akamta website along non pen ke kachini jiason among long po non malam so por pan dihina mo pharman birteng ton pon iksina Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank welcomes you to own your new Royal Enfield built for all roads, built for no roads. Dealer Ishan Motors, Ward number 2 near CCI Limited, Bokazan Dimapur Road, NH39, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For service 7896169017. For sales 7896169021. Email ishanmotors.ka@gmail.com. Easy loan from Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank. Banker to Hills people of Assam. Financer Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank offers two-wheeler loan, low EMI, finance up to 80%, longer repayment period. Contact your nearest branch for more details. For the first time in Karbi Anglong Difu, Asian Infotech Computer Education is going to introduce a 100% job assurance career course meeting of Gov Diploma and Certificate course under NIELIT Gov of India. Seat capacity 50 only for Karbi Anglong district. So all parents and guardians are requested to attend the meeting on 2nd of September 2017 for Difu Center and 3rd of September 2017 for Hauraghat Center. For more details, contact 98590399698 or 8638723369. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. Listo facial, signature facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Auraleda facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Atur Kimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Dekal 9435539500. Opening shortly. A school for playgroup to class 4. Facilities: big and clean classroom, trained and friendly teachers, playway method, creative activities, audio-visual, aided teaching, drill, dance and origami. Child development and education. Learning process with parents as partner. St. Anthony's English School, Lower Dilaji, Birla, Difu 782460, Karbi Anglong. Contact 9859609475, 70027709599, 99576075561. Email santanthonyschool@yahoo.com.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Atur Kimi Outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এটি আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ওয়াটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ওয়াটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াবহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ওয়াটাৰ
Dihina mopi potot birta long wang thulo. KSA pen jepatir pi ponsi pai ni phai thom kebra isi arni anarlo por phai crazy por pen hanjang lang so pen siloni jan an bike relia side deng pon bangso sai long bokajan LA angkang arlo emethang karbi long rilong pat kacherai pon pamenang ji lapen ason kaheno atomon karbi anglong arlo awedet nang ji pusi ke hang padopon Karbi Anglong arlo ahoy dobek nang ji lapen kaprek akhaya tumaphan longle pata selam pon longle pusi KSA inglong pho tumpen bike rally padopon pen dilip terang SDO pokajan ari deng pin pura loi pak pajir pon ladet pen api hanjang langso donsuria klamalong chingrum pet pen mai ingni pon mai phu Samson Tokbi president KSA pokajan regional committee pen lam the jai pon bangso along kadok kawe hum pharo pho bike pachideng pon Dokmoka Tiso Cinema Hall along Arni Tili isi apor pen Samilangso Block Mondol Committee ahin pen 4th executive meeting padopon pusi Dengaon Cut News Channel apherange Robin Bepen Bertanang Pali Laso amai along 14 number Korkanthi lapen 15 number Mahamaya constituency Samilangso Block Committee pen President Secretary lapen members atum kadokawe bang plike pratrok abang pubang philapen bang so blog along arpukedo bang haru isira bang phoke batum amaya long chetong don lalu hisar bo aman pen Mahamaya constituency MSC Lunsing Taron lapen block along arpukedo bang kep atum aphan pohu pen archopon MSC Lunsing Taron ahin pen Bangso Block Committee Amaya Long Kachatong Dun Abang Pubang Pia Tengno along Rat Kaching Turjia Pan Lak Kripo Atangka Scheme Aputak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ACM Tuliram Rang Hang Pen Chingwa Chingsai Ponsi Panong Pon Lopualam Aputak Lamte Pachini Pon
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along itu ACM Tuliram Rang Hang Kachani Pon Pen Alang itu Bangkora MSC Bang Hang Heksi fan je amoski team development akan sonsi kita ekonomi mampulan itu akan hampon. Saya akan sih ekonomi kita MSC homosil karena sama manusia bilang orang saya pun orang nak tetapi mana yang development scheme teknologi kalau sanction dia boleh.
Anparta Bangso Amayalong Mai Kachapahem Phupon Chandra Singh Ingti Samilang So Block Committee a President Sitame Rat Kapaching Turjia Phan Clardak Ben Lamthe Jaipon Birta Kila Pon se Kang Tonilok Lang Ingbom Tha Card News Channel Domi Thakme Kurwang Thu